The table you see right now is directly created in Excel without copy pasting any numbers from stock exchange websites. In this video, you will learn how you can create this type of table and how you can refresh it regularly to keep an eye on your portfolio. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. First, let us type some name of the stocks. Okay, these 4 stocks are enough for our demonstration purpose. Now we'll simply select the cells that contain the stock names and navigate to the data tab in the Excel ribbon. Next, we need to click the stocks button within the data types group. When we click the stocks button, Excel will attempt to convert all the selected cells value into stock data types. If Excel needs help, it will provide suggested options for our entered value in the right pane. We will come to this suggestion part in a while. Before we fetch the data for our stocks, let us convert our data set to table by pressing Ctrl T. This will save our time in copy pasting our formulas in all the rows. Now that we have linked stock data types set up in the worksheet, we can begin to add fields containing additional information about the stocks in our dataset. When we select a cell that is linked to stock data, we can see a small add field icon in the upper right hand corner of our selected cell. If we click the icon, we can see a list of various fields that we can add associated with that stock. Let us select open field and this will be added in the right of our current data set. Now let us add few more data points. In case you wish to use this data to keep an eye on your portfolio, then we can just add a holdings column besides the price column, and further let us add one more column of total value and multiply price with holdings and get the value of our holding. There are times when Excel doesn't recognize our stock name, or there are multiple companies starting with the same name. In such cases, Excel provides us suggested options for our entered value in the right side pane in this manner. We can just select our company from the list and rest all will work in the same manner as we saw earlier in this video. The stocks data types are considered linked data types. This is because they refer to an online data source. Once we convert text to a linked data type, an external data connection is established in the workbook. That way, if the data changes online, we can update it by refreshing it in Excel. To refresh the data, we need to right-click the cell with the linked data type and click refresh. That will refresh the cell we just selected, plus any other cells that have the same type of data. If we want to refresh all linked data types and all data connections that might be in the workbook, including queries, other data connections or pivot tables, we can click data and refresh all, or we can even use shortcut Ctrl Alt F5. There is also a way we can incorporate VBA code to automatically refresh the file's stock data every time we open our workbook. Just copy the code from the description box below and paste it in this workbook, Microsoft Excel Objects folder within the Visual Basic editor by pressing Alt F11. Let me demonstrate one more feature of stock cards here before I end this video. Linked data types also have a neat feature called card. Card will appear if we click the bank icon to the left of the stock name. Card can be a great way to answer ad hoc questions on our mind without having to bring that data into our worksheet. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.